happens in the dark comes out in the light. If you're doing nothing all day long or doing very little, time exposes or promotes all of us. The fact that you're not on stage getting the accolades is basically the absence of those awards is showing what your days have been like leading up to that, or vice versa. Elizabeth, are you sure you wanted me to speak today?
Always.
I mean,
whichever Brian shows up, I'm ready.
I mean, but think about this. I mean, you might have half the attendance next week.
I might, and that's okay.
Half of them might.
It's a leadership Zoom. Sometimes leadership conversations are hard.
Okay. All right.
Go, Brian, go.
We're going to keep going.
Come on.
Okay. So, how long are you going to tolerate not having your results? I hope that some people are like so disgusted with what I'm saying to them that they're like, you know what? I can't get mad at Brian. He's simply holding up a mirror and telling truth. And now it's time for me to actually man up, woman up. So look, I was in England.